If a journey is worth millions, then the destination must be priceless. Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in this episode we will travel to Singara, Chennai, or Madras as it was called earlier. In this episode, we will look at some sights the bustling city has to offer and also look at the gardens of the Leela Palace. A lot of travel videos mostly focus on food and the stay and never show you the gardens. In my vlogs, however, the gardens of these hotels are the heroes of the show, and no more treating gardens as an add-on. For us gardeners, they are an integral part of our vacation and hence no compromises there.
Yeah.
So we left Bengaluru in the wee hours of the morning and we travelled by the Shatabdi Express that left at 6:30 am and we reached Chennai at around 1 in the afternoon. So my intention was never to make this a proper travel vlog, so this video will be pretty brief. Not a lot of people would think of another metro city in India as their vacation spot, however this city has always been on my bucket list, and though I have travelled to Chennai on my business trips earlier, I never got the chance to see the city as a tourist. So we first checked into the Leela Palace, and the view the place offered us was simply out of the world, overlooking a famous landmark in the city, the Broken Bridge. I was not very keen on taking the video of the room, but if you follow my Instagram page, you would have seen some snippets of it. But I must tell you that the Leela is one of the most luxurious experiences one can have, with their world-class hospitality and the staff who offered exemplary services. The afternoon nap was so fulfilling that we went to the beach a little too late. However, we were able to get a lasting glimpse of the Bay of Bengal caressing the feet of this historic city. I'm always fascinated by the ocean because it reminds me of the endless possibilities that the world has to offer. Next day, after our breakfast, we headed towards the pool, which housed a small but beautiful garden. So you can feast your eyes on the different flowers and foliage the garden housed. As you can see, there was a singular dominance of the porcelain plant, which seems to be doing well under this intense Chennai sunlight. The garden is simple yet elegant, with elements of water thrown in to cool down the whole place, recreating the magic of a Zen garden in the middle of a beach town. So the next day we decided to check into the Radisson Egmore. The hospitality of Radisson was so top notch that we initially got a standard room with a leaky pipe, and we were immediately upgraded to a business suite, which was like a dream come true. When you come to a city, you need to visit its malls, and we visited the VR Mall, which was built in a very temple gopuram style that was a marriage between both modern and traditional. So here are some traveling tips to people who would want to visit this beautiful city, which is relatively more cleaner than most cities in India. If you're looking for an active nightlife like Bangalore, you would be disappointed. The city is more laid back with very few choices. Uber and Metro offer excellent connectivity. The auto drivers, however, would charge you not less than 300 Indian rupees, which can burn a hole in your pocket. Since I can speak Tamil, it was easier. However, English is widely spoken and understood here. The ideal time to visit the city would be from October till Jan, because summers are really hot. So folks, towards the end of our visit, I was amazed at how the Chennai airport has started greening up its premises with these beautiful container gardens. A few years ago, I never saw these many plants adorning the airport. I hope they do more of this in the coming years, because greenery can relax the tired eyes of a frequent traveler. So with this, we bid goodbye to a city that is known for its culture, heritage, long beaches, and many more. Thank you for watching, and if you like this vlog, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be given below. So until we meet again, a very warm goodbye.